So this US 30 analysis for Friday, the 15th of June. Now, let's just have a look at prices and where they might likely go. So we've had price going towards this 25,400. We didn't quite get towards that 25,439, from which we've had a bit of a rejection. Had a retest of that 25,243. Didn't quite get towards. We did trade slightly above the 25,243. Closed above it on one occasion, well, two occasions actually. But we didn't quite get a retest of the 25,400. Had a rejection in around 25,350, from which we have seen the sell side momentum take us through the 25,243. Had a brief consolidation here at the 200 period moving average before breaking down further below 25,101. We've come pretty close towards that 25,000 mark. So we do still seem poised for a test of 25,000. If we can find support at 25,000, looking for a move back up above the 25,101, 25,243, and possibly looking for a move up towards the 25,400 here on the US 30. Now, if we do break beyond the 25,400, we're looking for a retest of 25,439, possibly up towards that 512 here on the US 30. If, however, we're not able to find support in around 25,000 and see a 400 plus point move to the upside, we're looking for a breakdown from this 25,000. If we do see a breakdown from 25,000, we look to see our price react towards the 400 period moving average sitting at 24,900. Fell into all support there, possibly looking for a move down to the 24,864. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, 24,800 may just come into focus. Don't anticipate 24,700 come into focus here on the US 30, so it's possibly the far end of the range being around 24,864 or that 24,800 here on the US 30. Similarly to the upside, I don't anticipate prices moving much beyond the 25,439. What we'll do now is we have a brief look here at the daily charts, see how prices have been developing. Get scaling on here correct. And as we can see here on the this daily chart, we have a low, a relatively higher low. We've had the slowdown in bullish buy side momentum as indicated by the open and close of these candles becoming increasingly smaller. We did see post a bit of a doji. We've seen the sell side momentum return to the market. So despite the fact that we have turned around more recently, over on a longer time frame, say the daily chart here, we still remain we're still putting in a higher relative low. So if we do put in a higher relative low in comparison to previous lows, there still remains a possibility of seeing prices go on to break above the previous highs around 25,400 and start to test at 512 or possibly at 25,825. So 25,512, 25,825 above if we do post a higher relative low here on the US 30. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US 30 analysis. Thanks for watching.